So hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I felt like doing a slightly softer, kind of typical Valentine's Day look on my channel, so I came up with this pin-up glam look. I really hope you guys enjoy this transformation. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other looks you want me to do, and yeah, subscribe to my channel. I bring out new videos every single Monday, 8 PM Greenwich Mean Time, plus lots of bonus days, and I really hope you guys enjoy this transformation, and thank you for watching. Bye!
So I'm going to be starting this look off with my eyebrows already done, and if you're wondering why my face doesn't match my body, it's because I've got airbrush spray on it. I'm actually Casper the Friendly Ghost. From there, I'm first going to start out by blocking out my beard area and setting that lightly with powder, just so it doesn't bleed through the foundation and it helps hide the Man 5 o'clock shadow. From there, we're going to go in with some nice, gorgeous, full coverage Kryolan TV paint stick to, again, further hide that man for Valentine's Day. And buffing that out all on my skin to give me a nice full coverage drag flawless base to start with. We're then going to highlight using a lighter shade of foundation under my eyes and on the high points of my face, just to help feminize it and kind of bring forward the parts that I want to bring forward to alter my bone structure. After that's all nicely blended out, I'm going to go in and contour, basically doing the opposite kind of locations to which I highlighted, just to chisel out my cheekbones and make my forehead look smaller, as well as help get rid of my double chin. And again, I blend it out with the same brush, just because then it helps it all blend nice seamlessly together, and it's my favourite brush for blending out full coverage foundations. I do add a little bit of rosehip oil to the brush, just to help with the blending process and speed it up and make it look a little bit more seamless. I'm then going to set my entire face, but mainly focusing on my highlighted regions, just to help emphasize them further. I leave that on my skin for around 5 to 10 minutes, and then once it's all set and brushed off, we can move on with eyeshadow. And for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with this one that I picked up from Makeup Revolution in a recent haul, so I'll link that down below. And I'm first going to take these kind of warm transition shades and just run it through my crease. I am going for my kind of overall winged out cat shape that I seem to like doing, and this orange is so good. So basically I'm just building up, kind of using my kind of eyelid orbital bone area, and then we're going to carve that out with my highlight shade, just to give me that nice large eyelid space, just so it makes my eyes look nice and open and draggy, basically. To deepen the outer V of my eye, I'm going in with another kind of warm shade. I want this to be kind of soft, but also kind of smoky at the same time, so I tried to not add too many dark shadows and just help blend everything out kind of in between each step. To set my eyelid, I went in with a nice matte shade in this palette, but I also did top it with a little bit of the kind of more shimmery shade, and darkened the outer V with a little bit of brown. Again, I wanted it to be quite soft, but I still wanted some definition to my crease. And now for the star of the show, a really sharp wing liner. Take your time with this. Wing liner is still something I struggle with, but this Maybelline gel liner is my current favourite, and it's pretty affordable. So yeah, I went in with a nice sharp wing and popped some gold in my waterline and the inner corner of my eye, just to help keep everything bright and kind of colourful. I used the same colours on my lower lash line that I did on my kind of upper crease area, just to help blend everything out and make my eyes look nice, large and pin-uppy. And what's a drag look without a little bit of glitter? So I popped some on my inner corners of my eyes and also popped on some mascara. To help carve out my face, I used kind of this technique, which I haven't done in quite a while. It just kind of slightly disrupts the foundation underneath, but it gives you that really sharp kind of cut contour, which I really wanted for this look. So as long as you blend it out afterwards, you can't really tell that you disrupted the foundation from the card pressing on your skin, but yeah, I really like that, and just kind of added some definition to my face. To highlight the central portions, I used the lighter shades in this Makeup Revolution palette, and I actually really like doing this because it kind of brings back the highlight that you could have kind of mixed up or kind of lost with contouring and everything, and added a little bit more bronzer, and then the Coralista blush from Benefit, which I absolutely love. Doesn't overtake my Makeup Geek shadows, blushes even, but I still absolutely love it. And it just seems to be like the perfect shade to add that nice flush to the skin. From there, I went in with Flexitarian highlighter from Colourpop, which is pretty much my all-time fave. It just adds like a nice wet look to the skin, and I live for it. To highlight my brow bone, since I forgot to, I went in with that matte shade in the palette, just to help kind of make my eyebrows look a little bit more arched, bitchy, and draggier, basically. From there, I went in and reinforced my nose contour using that same contour powder palette thing from Makeup Revolution, and then set everything in place to remove powdery texture with this e.l.f. Set and Mist spray. I first lined my lips using that pencil, but it was kind of pink and I didn't sharpen it, so the lip line isn't the sharpest thing I've done, and then filled it in with the NYX Lip Suede. I like this, but it did bleed a little bit, but I think it was the pencil's fault since I didn't sharpen it, and I've had that pencil a really long time. And then that is the finished look. All that's left is the wig and some false eyelashes. And I really hope you guys enjoy this transformation. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!